Hello, welcome back to my iBLOG, a very popular website, and I know all 5 of you are watching right now. I got a professional advice for people who have a New Year's resolution to lose weight. That's right, listen to my idea. If you want to lose weight as a Pacific Islander, all you do is go and eat at your Palangi friend's house because they only make enough for the people who are invited to dinner. If they have an unexpected guest, they will say at the door, sorry, we are having dinner, come back another time. Not like us Pacific Island, only 2 people live in the house, but we cook for the whole village. Because we have a lot of guests come over, even people you don't even like your family. But it's good that you understand because at the Palangi house, they have a heaps of cutleries, different fork, different knife. It confuses your mind so much you can't even remember to eat. They like to eat plants, you know, like leaves, trees, things that grow from the dirt. But for us, Pacific Island, we like to eat the things that eat the thing on the ground, like dead animal. So that is my advice for you if you want to lose weight. That is your New Year's regulation. Go and eat at your Palangi friend house. It's good, healthy for you. Thank you, mate.